Hi, in this video, we're going to talk about using Zotero for group collaboration. Zotero is a free resource management tool that allows you to collect, organize, and share your research. And one great way to share that research is using Zotero group libraries for collaboration. A group library can be used in a variety of situations. So for example, if you are a student working on a group project and you need someplace for you and your group members to store your research and Google Drive just isn't cutting it anymore, Zotero group libraries might be a good option. For faculty members who are collaborating across institutions for a panel or an article and need somewhere to, again, store their research, Zotero group libraries might also be a good option for you. In order to access and add information to a group library, you will need to create a Zotero account and download the Zotero application. There's information on how to do this available through tutorial videos linked in the video description below. Once you have set up your account and been added to group libraries, those libraries will show up in your Zotero application on the left-hand side of your screen. So first at the top, you'll have your personal Zotero library and personal Zotero collections, and then underneath, you'll have the different group libraries that you are a part of. Saving information to a group library in Zotero is very similar to saving information in a personal library in Zotero. One option is to use the Zotero browser extension, which allows you to add information to your Zotero library directly from the internet. So I can use the browser extension to add this painting Nightlife from the Art Institute of Chicago's collection to a Zotero group library. I'll navigate up to the top right corner of my Chrome screen and click on the Zotero browser extension that I've added. And then I don't want to save it to my personal library. I want to save it to a group library. So I will click on that drop-down arrow, navigate to more, and find the name of the group library I want to add this resource to. So Columbia College Research 2023, let's say, for example. Click Done. And then it should show up in that Zotero group library. So I can navigate to my Zotero account. And here I'm in the Columbia College Research 2023 group library. And we've got the information for Nightlife. I can also drag information from my personal Zotero library into a shared library. So let's say I want to add Cow Skull with Calico Roses to that Columbia College Research group library. I'll just click on the resource title and drag, hovering over the group library I want to add it to, release. And then when I navigate back to that group library, the information is there. Group members can also organize their shared libraries however best meets the group needs. So you can use tags by clicking on a resource and then the tag option in the top right-hand corner to organize your information. You can create sub-collections. And there are more information and tutorial videos on organizing your Zotero library that is applicable to a private Zotero library and a group library available in the video description below. You can also find information on using the Zotero browser extension that we talked about earlier in this video, setting up your Zotero group libraries, or just organizing your research using Zotero through the Zotero research guide available at library.colum.edu.